And one day, just like that, we shut our eyes for the last time, and that would be it. Game over. And there's a pretty good chance that there's nothing after that. No do-overs, no second chances, just nothing. You cease to be. So why do we waste so much time waiting? Waiting to say how we feel, to chase what sets our soul on fire. What if, instead of fearing the end, we used it as a reason to start living? Because in the end, it's not about how long we're here. It's about how fully we choose to exist while we still can.